Hey everybody, Shabo here, back from another video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a face changer in Roblox. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up everything so you can get all of our stuff set up. So first, if this isn't open already, you can click this arrow right here, and then this will pop up. You want to click View, so you see this. You want to open Explorer, Properties, Toolbox, and Output if you want to see errors in your script. So this is what it should look like. Now we're going to make the part. So I'm going to go back to the home. We're going to click Part. I'm going to go to the part. You can drag in stuff. You can use scale if you want to change its size. Then you can drag these. I'm going to get it like this. And then you want to go to Properties. Scroll down. And then press Anchored. Now it's not able to fall over or go through the ground. And then, if you want them to be able to walk through it, then you want to check this. Make sure it's not checked. Now, we're going to get the face that we want them to have. So I'm just going to put this. Now we're going to get to the scripting. So you want to go to Explorer. If Workspace isn't already open, you want to click this arrow right here. And then you want to right-click the part. You go to Insert Object. And then Script. And then this will pop up on your screen. And the script should be inside of the part. Now we're going to start scripting. So first, you want to get rid of this print right here, because we don't need that. So you just backspace it, get rid of that, and then we're going to make our part variable. So local part equals script.parent, which is this right here, goes to the script, to the part. And then we're going to define the decal ID, so you know what face ID we want to put on the character's face. So I'm going to go to base plate, or whatever your place's name is called. You go to the decal inside of part, and then you want to go to properties. Under appearance, there's texture. So you want to click it. It should be highlighted, and then right click it and press copy, or Control C. And then now that you have it copied, you want to go to the script again. You can double click this or click this up here. Then we're going to want to paste the ID over here. So local ID equals, you want to put quotes and then the thing inside of the quotes. Because if there's no quotes, it won't detect that it's an ID and it'll just think it's part of the code or something. So you want to make sure it's in quotes. And then we're going to start with the actual scripting. So we want to detect when it's touched. So we're going to activate our touch event. So part.touched connect function. Then you want to do this with the parentheses. Make sure there's an end right here and a parenthesis. Then we want to see if a character touched it or just a normal part. So local humanoid equals hit.parent find first child, which is a humanoid. Then we want to see if there's a head, and then head equals hit.parent find first child head. And then we want to make another line, then put if humanoid and head, which just sees if there is a humanoid and a head. So then press enter. This is what your code should look like. Then we want to detect if there actually is a face or not for some reason. So local face equals head find first child face. And you want to put it lowercase because Roblox wants it to be lowercase. And then we're going to do the if statement again, but this time just the face. And then, so we can actually put the ID on the face's ID, face.texture equals ID. And then it should be done. You want to put hit in between these parentheses, so this doesn't make an error. Then your script should be done. You can click play up here, or if it's not there, you can click this one. Then when you spawn in, you can walk up to this over here, wherever your face changer is, and then you can touch it, and you should get the face. For now, I have this face. When I go through it, I have the face right here. And that's how you make a face changer in Roblox. Make sure to slap that like button and punch that subscribe button. Peace.